Hey everyone, today I will show you how to remove your phone number on Facebook easily. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe for more tutorials. Now let's get started. First, open Facebook and go to the menu. You can find this either at the bottom right or the top right of your screen. From there, scroll down to Settings and Privacy and click on Settings. If you're using a computer, click your profile picture at the top right, then click on Settings and Settings again to get to the same place. Next, navigate to Personal and Account Information. Here, you'll see your current contact information. Simply click on the phone number you want to remove. You will see Remove on the page. Tap Remove, then confirm by marking on I understand that I could lose access to my account. Now click on Remove Number. It's as simple as that. Just enter your password to confirm the changes. That's it. You've successfully removed your phone number on Facebook. If this guide was helpful, remember to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.